This is my head. I move my head slowly.
This is my eye. I blink my eyes quickly.
This is my ear. I listen carefully with my ears.
This is my mouth. I open my mouth to speak.
This is my arm. I raise my arm high.
This is my hand. I wave my hand happily.
This is my leg. I move my legs while walking.
This is my foot. I tap my foot on the floor.
This is my nose. I smell the flowers with my nose.
This is my knee. I bend my knee carefully. I use my to see. I listen with my ear. I speak with my mouth. I wave with my hand. I walk with my legs. I smell flowers with my nose. I bend my when I squat down. Knee.